L'ANGE Hair 25mm titanium rotating curling iron. So if you've ever burned your fingers, I know I have, trying to curl the back of your hair, or I curl even in the front for me, but this rotating curling iron is perfect for you. This is the L'ANGE, meaning angel, I just found out in French, a self-rotating titanium curling iron, 25mm, and I curled my hair this morning with it, and I really love it. It really holds the curl. So they do, this is a smaller barrel. They do have one that's 32 if you want bigger curls. And another question was, is it beginner friendly? And I think so. I think it's pretty simple. Press this button to turn it on, and then you can see it beeping right there. I'll put it on the very low one, and I'll just show you real quick how it actually works. So it's not actually, so you have to kind of know which way. Just go like that, and then it makes the curl. It's not heated up, so I don't want to curl my hair anyway, but this home button will bring it back, right back into place. And another thing I love about it, it doesn't snag in your hair. So it just, rotates so easy. It doesn't twist up your hair. I'm not very good at doing my hair, but this makes it easier. So those are the things. And another thing I do with my hair is I'll get a piece like this, and since there's really no clamp there, I'll go like that and hold it for a few seconds and then just let it drop. So that's pretty simple. I love that because it just has this little baby clamp at the bottom. So self-rotating technology. This is one of my favorite buys in a while. And to be honest, one thing I didn't like was that even though it is beginner friendly, for me, it took a second to figure out which way to rotate it. So I'll turn it on again. And you'll see that goes that way. So it took me a minute to figure out which way to go, but it's gonna hold your curl. My hair does not hold curl at all, not unless it's with a good product like this. This and my crimper, I think those are the only ones that really hold a curl for me. This one has been great. I love that it's pink. I love that the cord is super duper long, and it has this little Velcro thing to hold. It's it's super tight. I can't even get it undone. But everything about this, they did a great job with this. I really like it. If you're looking for something simple to curl your hair, something that's easy, pretty much beginner friendly for most people, I really recommend this. I like it, and I think you'll like it too.